Check out this 2015 GMC Canyon SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, driver alert package, heavy-duty trailering package, 6 speakers, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and rear window defroster. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.